This module will teach us about organizations, their structure, and their role within the Saviynt platform. This foundational knowledge will help you understand how organizations function and how they contribute to effective identity and access management. Imagine it's the holiday season and your organization is preparing for a grand Christmas event across multiple stores nationwide. Temporary contractors and new hires are on board to handle the holiday rush. Each store acts like an individual hub, and every worker, whether permanent or temporary, needs specific access to perform their roles, from stockrooms to customer service systems. Now consider the challenge. How do you ensure that the right people have access to the right resources at the right time while maintaining security and efficiency? This is where Saviynt steps in. In this module, we'll learn how Saviynt structures organizations and manages access, ensuring seamless operations during high-demand scenarios. Module Objective. By the end of this module, the following key topics will be understood. Asterisk definition of an organization in Saviynt EIC. Understanding the concept and purpose of organizations within the platform. Asterisk types of organizations. Exploring the classifications and frameworks available to categorize and manage organizations. Role of an organization owner. Identify who an organization owner is and their responsibilities within the system. In this lesson, we will explore an overview of organization. Let's understand what an organization is. Saviynt Enterprise Identity Cloud, EIC, provides a structured framework for managing external identities, including vendors, contractors, and third-party workers. The concept of organizations within Saviynt EIC is central to this process. Organizations offer a logical structure for managing external entities and enable the creation of governance policies specific to vendors and contractors. These organizations facilitate the onboarding, updating, and offboarding of external users. Access can be segmented by setting up different organizations, ensuring that users are aligned with the correct unit based on their roles and needs. This approach ensures the secure and efficient management of external identities. Using an organization for external identity management offers several key benefits. First, it centralizes the management of external entities, providing a single control point that simplifies oversight and streamlines identity-related tasks for vendors, contractors, and third-party users. This centralized approach also enhances security by ensuring access rights are granted and revoked according to roles and policies, reducing the risk of unauthorized access and strengthening overall security. Additionally, it supports regulatory compliance by maintaining precise records of external identities and their access levels, making meeting audit